She out her rabbit ass mind and she thinks I'm about to pay $200 just because I got my wig from Amazon. So anyway, forget her. We're gonna install this wig ourselves. So y'all come along with me as I install this Amazon wig. This is like my first time like installing the wig. And it's glueless if you guys want to try any of the products I'm using. I'm using like an adhesive and then what do you call that stuff? A melting spray. So yeah, and I'll list all the products down below if you guys want to check it out. And the reason I'm drawing this line on the wig, I'm using a pencil, so like in case I mess up, I should be able to come off with makeup remover. But it's because one time I cut a wig while it wasn't on my head and it just did not end well. So anyways, just take like a makeup pencil, cut along that line, and then you're just gonna pull the wig down to see if you like it where it sits at. And then now I'm just gonna take the wig off and cut it in a zigzag motion because they say that's supposed to help hide the lace, because if you cut it straight across, it's very noticeable. So I also learned that the hard way, and TikTok taught me that. And then I just took some makeup, put it inside the cap, you know, try to hide that part. These are just some things that you can clean around the perimeter of your hair with. And I'm just pulling my hair back because I don't like to do the ball cap method. I tried that before and it was so messy and the cap slid back and I also got headaches. So now I'm just going in with my Boho Skin Protect. Dab it on, do not spray it on, it'll be very messy. And then let it dry, add another layer. So what this does is it not only protects your skin, but it also like prevents sweating and stuff so you don't sweat that wig off. And as someone who lives down here in this southern heat, I can't be sweating my wig off. Now we're putting on that adhesive. I did 3 layers. So what I did was put a layer, let it dry, put another layer, let it dry, and then did one more layer, let it dry. cleaning up like excess glue and stuff, I think I used witch hazel for this part. I can't remember, but you can also just use like makeup remover. And please let your band stay on for at least an hour. I thought I could just do like 10 minutes, and I definitely feel like I did not melt my lace enough. So don't do what I did. Let that band stay on for an hour, but don't sleep in it. And now I'm just feeling myself.
Ooh, my hair look good. My hair ain't never looked this good before. Ooh.
And I was on the phone with someone, so that's why, you know, you can see me talking and I was getting all loud and crazy because I was like super excited about my hair.
Ooh, I got the 30-inch bust down middle part. Ooh, and it look good. No, I been had the wig, I just ain't never installed it.
So here is a 1 week update of the wig. As you can see, it's still attached pretty good. The only thing bad is the edges were lifting. This was right after I woke up, so if you just like take the melting spray or something and just dab it onto the edges, it would lay it back down. Alright y'all, that is the end of the video. Let me know how you guys think I did for my first install. I'm gonna list all the products down below, link them, whatever. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment, something, I don't know. But and I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye.